Hi, I'm Dustin Shorkey. I'm a CNC lathe machinist here at Mersen, and I've been here about 5 months. It is very rewarding to work here, definitely challenging, and extremely fast-paced. A CNC lathe machinist. I want to continue to grow from there and hopefully learn mills and other machinery. Ability to multitask, mathematics, and mechanical knowledge. Reading blueprints, gathering tools, setting up my machine, definitely multiple different parts per day, a lot of different styles and techniques to setting up and running parts consecutively, measuring parts, and filling out inspection reports. Growth, opportunities, and unique. Being part of a family, machining parts that make a difference in the world, and definitely just being part of something big. Very relaxed, very laid back, a lot of outgoing people, a lot of help where you need it. And definitely a lot of very respectful and good people to work with. 100%. I would recommend anybody to come here. It's a very, very respectful and a growing place to be. There's always a future.